Okay, we are doing a little bit of a experiment here before this gets too hot. What I have here is just a couple of these terracotta flower pot things. If you can see that, I just bolted the two of them together. I got them from a thrift store. One thing to note about these is that you want to make sure they are brand new and never ever been used for any kind of soil or anything. Because if these have been used for potted plants, the fertilizer will leach into the pots and will put off toxic gases when they get warm. So make sure you use brand new ones. So a smaller one inside of a bigger one and bolted together. And then the next thing you need is just a few candles, something to prop them up on, and then you set the pots on top. We're going to do an experiment. We're going to leave it in this bathroom, which is fairly small, and the starting temperature in here is 68 degrees. So we're going to leave this either until the candles burn out or an hour, whatever comes first, and we're going to see if this makes this room any warmer. So we'll see you in a little while. Okay, so it has been about an hour and a half, and it has risen all the way up to 72 degrees in here. So I'm going to call this a success. I really think that this works. The little candles, I know you can't probably tell because it's so bright, but they're about half gone. So these little tea light candles probably last, I don't know, 3 hours or so. 2.5, I'm not sure. And just for this room, which I did measure a second ago, it's 8 feet by 4.5 feet wide. So it's a really small, just a really small little bathroom. But I chose it because it is such a small space, and these are just 3 tea light candles. I just wanted to see if it would heat even just this amount of space, which it does. So, really simple little pot heater. This captures the heat instead of just letting it all go straight up in a line up into the ceiling. And this thing is actually really warm. I mean, it's probably a little too warm to keep your hand on and touch for long. But definitely if you put your hands near it, you can feel it. So this would make a really good little hand warmer, for sure. So if you decide to try and make this, again, make sure you use pots that are brand new. Nothing that's ever had potting soil in it, otherwise you get that toxic gas in your house. So anyway, thanks for watching.